Welcome to the video for the Defiant Motion Security Light, model DFI 0452WH, covering installation, use, and additional information provided by Novolink. During the day, energy is collected via the included solar panel and stored in an onboard rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Since there's no need to connect to your home's electrical system, you can place the motion security light almost anywhere. At night, the motion security light activates whenever motion is detected within 50 feet of the motion sensor. With 180 degrees of detection, the light can cover a wide area with a blanket of security. The lamps produce 500 lumens of light, making it great for walkways, garages, backyards, and patios. Take care in opening and removing the box contents. Note that the mounting bracket for the light may already be attached to the back of the light unit. You'll also want to make sure you've got the tools and safety equipment needed for the installation. These include safety goggles, a Phillips head screwdriver, a level, a drill and drill bits. If you do not have the experience with using a drill, you may ask a contractor or handyman to help you with the installation, a hammer, and last, a ladder. The light needs to be placed more than 7.5 feet above the ground, and a ladder will help you properly place the light without strain or discomfort. It's important to know the parts of the motion security light before installation. The motion security light has two independently moving LED lamps. Remember, when turning on the unit, do not look directly into the lamps, as they're very bright. The PIR, or passive infrared sensor, allows the unit to detect motion by way of body heat. It's mounted to the body of the unit, but can be positioned independently. You'll point this in the direction you wish the unit to detect any motion. The indicator light located on the front of the unit shows when certain light functions are active. When the indicator light slowly flashes blue, the unit is charging its lithium-ion battery via the solar panel. If it's flashing rapidly, there may be something blocking the solar panel, or there's not enough sunlight to properly charge the battery. This light is usually off at night, or when the battery is full. When the PIR sensor detects motion, the indicator light will flash green. You may see the green sensor light during the day or evening, whenever someone is moving within range. To 1. Control the sensitivity of the PIR sensor. 2. The time in the evening at which the light will become active. And 3. The amount of time the light will stay on when motion is detected. You'll adjust the dials below the PIR sensor. The timer dial can be adjusted to have the light stay on for 1 to 5 minutes. Remember, however, that the longer the light is on, the more battery power is being used. The sense adjustment affects the sensitivity of the PIR sensor. The higher sense is set, the further from the PIR sensor will motion be detected, and the higher its fidelity of detection. Lastly, The lux setting controls when the unit switches from recharging during the day to lighting up at night when motion is detected. This diagram may make it a little easier to set lux. Adjust as needed in your area, depending on how much ambient light you have at night, like from street lamps that may be constantly on. When planning your installation, remember that the solar panel should face the southern sky. You want to avoid putting the solar panel in areas that receive shade from trees, buildings, or other tall obstructions. Also, the solar panel should not be placed behind a window or indoors. The solar panel comes with a 10-foot cord, which is usually enough for most installations. If you need a longer cord, a 30-foot extension is available at www.shopnovolink.com. Use the link below to go to the product page on our website. The light unit's mount will allow you to install it below an eave or on a wall. You should not install the unit at an awkward angle or upside down relative to the PIR sensor. The light should not be mounted lower than 7.5 feet above the ground. Any lower significantly reduces the effectiveness of the sensor, but when properly mounted, the sensor will detect motion up to 50 feet from the light. Once your light bracket's in place, mount the triangle base of the solar panel using the remaining screws. With the triangle base mounted, slide and lock the solar panel into place, and don't forget to remove the protective plastic. Now you're ready to attach the light unit, which will slide and lock in place atop its mounting bracket. Lastly, when you have both light unit and solar panel mounted, securely connect the power cord. Remember, if you don't have a long enough cord, an extension can be purchased at shopnovolink.com. Though your light may turn on when you take it out of the box for the first time, we highly suggest going through the standard 2 to 3 day charging period. This ensures that your battery has a full charge at the start of operation. After charging for a couple of days, the unit will be ready to turn on. This test mode is designed to help you adjust the LED lamps and motion sensor to where you need them. For the first minute, the LED lamps will turn on and the blue indicator light will flash. During this time, the LED lamps should be adjusted to shine where needed. At the second minute, the lamps will turn off and the light will enter the motion detection phase. This will help you determine the optimal position of the PIR sensor, as it will trigger the light on for 30 seconds when activated. This is a good time to move around the space you'd like to protect, adjusting the motion sensor as needed. During the day, the lithium-ion batteries of the Defiant Motion Security Light are recharged by solar energy. You might see the blue indicator light on during the day as the battery charges. At night, the light will turn on when motion is detected by the PIR sensor. When motion is detected, the green indicator light will flash. The light will operate this way for as long as there's enough charge in the battery. And when the battery is low, it will go into echo mode. This extends operation time by reducing light output. A series of cloudy, overcast, or stormy days may deplete the battery, and the light may not activate in the evening. When sunlight returns, the battery will resume charging. Additionally, if temperatures are at or below freezing, the light may not be as efficient. It will resume normal operation as temperatures warm up. Remember, if you have any questions about the setup or use of your Defiant DFI 0452WH Motion Security Light, call our toll-free customer service line at 1-800-933-7188 or email us at cs@novolinkinc.com. You can also find accessories for the Motion Security Light at www.shopnovolink.com. Thank you for watching. This has been a presentation brought to you by Novolink.